Program structures, reprogramming astral. The cognitive dissonance mind control program is a dead energy structure that limits one's capacity to evolve and grow into their highest potential. Our goal is to heal and clear trauma energy to reclaim our free will and sovereignty. In doing so, it is very important that we create a template to anchor into healing and expansion structures of the heart to heal the inner child and integrate all shadow aspects. Our healing template is self-awareness, honesty, self-accountability, self-acceptance, self-compassion, gratitude, and authenticity. This formula has been studied for 2 decades, and it's congruent with the quantum heart structure. All one must do is align their perceptions and intentions through their free will choice and show up in practice of the principles to solidify the activation in order to achieve their full potential. As we study all the various different aspects within varying degrees of self, we must bring into our awareness and inventory all of our current mental beliefs about ourselves and the world in order to create the circumstances to release ourselves from all polarity consciousness mind control programming. This requires that we study consciousness to break down the complexities of the human condition, to understand how conscious energy works in order to release ourselves from programs, timeline structures, and the technologies that tether us to the lower mind. In studying the mental aspects of self, it is critical we understand that the mind thinks in layers. We must sift and sort through the many layers to understand ourselves, to make sense and organize mind control programming. By bringing into our awareness our current ability to reason, plan, solve problems, think abstractly, and comprehend complex ideas, through honest assessment, we create the opportunity to release ourselves from mind control programs and heal trauma. This is achieved by developing the understanding of the current ideas we have surrounding our beliefs, as we break down the concepts surrounding those beliefs to fully understand how they have limited us as to our belief in what is possible and what is not possible in this reality field. Through higher consciousness principles and values like non-judgment and non-attachment, we place ourselves in a position to create an ever-expanding consciousness that leads us into brain and heart coherence to effectively create unity consciousness. This places us in a position to anchor into the quantum healing structure where time doesn't exist and all things are possible. It is through remaining open-hearted and open-minded to new thought concepts, ideas, and active processes that create the circumstances to heal and expand in order to release ourselves from the grips that have us tethered to and anchored into the cognitive dissonance program. Beliefs are anchors that tether us into dead energy structures like cement that are coded for mental illness, disease, addiction, pain, trauma, and suffering, all of which are programs coded to devolve the human consciousness while siphoning our life force energies.